Using Trello for web development is an efficient way to manage tasks, track progress, and collaborate with your team. Here's how to optimize Trello for web development projects. Set up your board. Create a Trello board dedicated to the web development project. Divide it into lists to represent key project stages such as backlog, to-do, in progress, testing or review, done. Create and organize cards. Each task or feature becomes a card. Add detailed descriptions, attach wireframes, designs, or any relevant documents, and use checklists for breaking tasks into smaller steps. Assign members and set due dates. Assign developers, designers, or testers to relevant cards. Set due dates to track deadlines, ensuring the project stays on schedule. Use labels and power-ups. Add labels like front-end, back-end, or bug for better categorization. Use power-ups like Calendar to manage deadlines and Trello plus GitHub integration to track pull requests and commits. Monitor progress. Regularly move cards between lists to track progress, ensuring that tasks are completed in order and on time.